Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing good. A little bit of a midweek video, I guess. I am working on carving up some cardinals, just some quick carves, some basic cardinals, nothing big. As you guys can see, fits in my hand. Carving them out of cedar. I've got some white cedar logs here, a few of them. These are really dry, and I decided to do some cardinals. I got a small craft fair coming up next week or so, and wanted to get some of these done for that event. Now, this is going to end up being a time-lapse video, just creating a bunch of cardinals, but I do believe I am going to put together a cardinal carving tutorial for this coming Saturday. And I think we're just going to make some simple, short, fat cardinals, right? We've done some other cardinal videos, but hey, why not do another tutorial? You guys seem to really love those. We'll hopefully have the shoulder mount camera going and this camera somewhere else, and then you know, give you guys a couple angles and walk you through that whole thing. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Make sure YouTube notifications are on so you guys don't miss that upload or any future uploads. And let's start making some sawdust. guys, that's gonna be it. Check it out, just some quick cardinals for craft fair I've got coming up. Whatever don't sell at the craft fair, if it's something you guys are interested in, they will be on my Etsy store. If I can get a bunch done, I might get some up on the Etsy store. Anyway, for those of you that are interested in purchasing my work. So links to Etsy are down below in the description, along with some tools and links to other things, social media, stuff like that, where you guys can follow me. So if you've made it this far in the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you hit subscribe, hit that bell and hit all right, guys? I think the plan is going to be a tutorial on just some quick cardinals. I think that's what we're going to do for Saturday, this coming Saturday. Let me know what you guys think. You know, you want to see some quick cardinals? You know, you have to have a small saw, a dime tip bar, your die grinder with a flame bit, and paint. Really, that's, you know, your jaw horse. But, you know, simple stuff. Let me know what you guys think, those of you that end up seeing this and that might be interested in that. And those of you that are here just for entertainment, I appreciate you guys as well. Now, big shout out to my members. I really do appreciate all of you who contribute to the channel monthly. You guys rock, and I really, really do appreciate it. This channel has been growing every week, every day, and it's really been amazing. It's really been awesome. So thank you to everybody that watches, gives me a thumbs up, and leaves me a great comment. I really do appreciate it. So that's going to be it. Be sure to check out some videos popping up, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.